There are 4 different camera views that you can utilize within Synthesis. They can be found in the Change View dropdown in the Home tab. Driver Station View allows you to see the view from the perspective of a driver. Using A and D, you can navigate to the different driver stations, and you can use toggle sides to change from side to side to see the different views for each alliance. The Orbit Robot view will follow your robot as you move. Free Roam allows you to use WASD keys to move the position of the camera to wherever you would like. You can drag the left mouse to rotate the camera. This view works like a first-person shooter game when you're holding the left mouse. Overview gives you a bird's eye view of the entire field, and you can use right-click and drag to zoom into the field.